Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for that perfect gift for a special couple in your life, this set from Triple Gifted is exactly what you need. What I love about this set is how beautifully packaged it is. You don't even have to think about gift wrap or anything because it comes in a gorgeous box. It's really well packaged so that your mug set is secure, but it also comes so beautifully displayed. So this set comes with a his and hers mug, a Mr. and a Mrs., as well as a lid and teaspoons. They're in a gorgeous gold finish. The Mr. mug is a really nice glossy black, and then the Mrs. is a nice creamy white. They're the perfect size. They're nice and durable, but they have that elegance because of the beautiful gold writing on it. You can use this for both hot and cold. They each have a lid so that keeps your beverage warm. And then of course the teaspoon to stir in or to remove your tea bag. I just love all of the gorgeous little details on this. It even comes with a card. So literally they take all of the guesswork out of gifting. So if you're looking for a really classy, beautiful gift, maybe a wedding gift, anniversary, engagement, this would be a beautiful, well thought out gift for any occasion. And whoever receives this will be thrilled. So I absolutely think that you should grab this. Make your next gift giving a simple one, but a special one. And that's my point of view.